should not ask me to give myself one day or ask me to go and do one thing I cannot do because I want to leave and I'm gonna put myself in trouble. Please though, hey Joe, you should not get to that point too. Because hi guys, hi beautiful igboticnonos, welcome back to my channel. Please, if you're new to this channel, please enter for to subscribe, okay, and join the family. Guys, in today's video, of course, this video is a highly requested video. Seriously, I'm going to show you guys on the screen. Somebody said I should please tell them how to flirt in Igbo. This video is a very difficult one, trust me. How to flirt in Igbo. How do we flirt in Igbo language? How do you flirt in Igbo? Basically, in my own terms, I'll say there is no special way on how to flirt in Igbo rather than doing the same thing you're doing in English in Igbo. Such as, if you see a guy that you like or a guy that you're interested in, I would advise, you know, in English, when you say a guy you're interested in, right, you give a green light. So in Igbo, you also give a green light. Yes. What are the things you do when you get to the guy's house and you find out his house is dirty? You help him and clean it. Yes, you can say I can feature one again. I say, "Can you on this uni otua? Can you on uni otua?" Aha, mba o no get kwesiri di otua. O get kwesiri iri otua. Biko ka meziere gya. Biko ka meziere gya. You know, it's a form of flirting in Igbo. Like, this one is not supposed to be like this. Let me clean it for you. Seriously, from nowhere you come to a guy's house. You, a girl, come to a guy's house. And you will now introduce cleaning the guy's house. Oh my god, the guy definitely knows you're trying to flirt with him. So, in my own sense, or in my own aspect, I can say when you come to the guy's house and his house is dirty, you assist in cleaning the house. Also, calling the guy on phone. Yes, you can always check up on the guy. When a phone is na keke me kedu kworo me tata iligo kwanni ke ifili ka kemgbe isizi ya kemgbe isizi nni nka ke ifili kemgbe isi nni nka ọ mam na nni isi otoro ụtọ nnata inata gwa m ka mbịa sitere go foto ụtọ. Basically in English, when you call on phone, hello, I'm trying to translate what I just said now in English. Hello, how are you doing? How is work? What did you eat? What have you eaten? And when he tells you what he has eaten, you're like, you're like, who cooked it? Who made the food? And he tells you, you're like, I know it's not sweet. Don't worry. When you come back, tell me. I have something to make for you. Yes, the guy knows you're flirting. Trust me, when you drop the phone, the guy is like, what just happened now? You know, the guy is like, what just happened now? What just happened now? I think this girl has eye for me. So it's an obvious way of course, showing a guy that you're interested in him. And of course, it's a sign of flirting as well. And also, when you get to the guy's house now, you know the next thing now, you're trying to make food, Abby. Hey, you dress well now. You're not going to tie wrapper or tie towel. You wear nice shorts, nice top. Or you wear nice trouser and a hanging top, you know, that your figure will be showing. You know, when you're standing in the kitchen, you don't open your legs and stand like someone that is about to give birth. No, you cross your leg and, you know, stand like a chick, like a queen. So that when the guy looks from the back, this girl is well settled. All those things are flirting. Do you understand? So there's no basic way of saying this flirting thing. Now when you get to the guy's house, you know, just find a discussion. Okay, when you finish making the food, you like and the guy tells you, oh, this food is very sweet. And when it's time for you to go, this one is very important. This is very important. When it's time for you to go, you don't go. You're supposed to go. You tell the guy you're supposed to leave around 6, and it's 6. You still remain for the house. You know, go your house. You know, go your house. You still sit down for the house. They look. They watch TV. They read paper. They talk. The guy knows definitely you are what? Flirting. And he's going to take advantage of it. He's going to woo you. He's going to check you. He's going to ask you out. The only disadvantage I see in flirting thing is sometimes it's just flirting. It doesn't lead to anything because most guys don't appreciate girls who give them green light. They're like, the girl is loose, the girl is loose. This is where he gives green light to other guys. This girl is a very loose girl. So most times guys don't appreciate girls who give them green light. So most times flirting, when you want to flirt with a guy, it ends in flirting. Like, he ends in flirting when he's tired of having you or when you're tired of having him. Everyone goes their separate ways. most times, like 90%, I can say it doesn't end in something very serious. Yes. So this video is long awaited for. It's been long. This subscriber asked me to do this video, but I've just been checking how do I do this video, how do you flirt in Igbo. But basically I said let me just do this video because you guys ask, I deliver. You should not ask me to give myself one day or ask me to go and do one thing I cannot do because I want to deliver and I'm gonna put myself in trouble. Please though, hey Joe, you should not get to that point too, because so guys, this is basically it. So there's no special way or special assignment on how to flirt. Just know that flirt is flirt, and 90% of time it does not lead to anything serious. It's just flirting because the guy knows you're flirting and you also knows you're flirting. So sometimes it doesn't lead to that big thing you want it to lead to. Do you understand? So that is it basically, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope I'm able to satisfy the person who needed this video. I don't know if I'll put the comments on the screen. You see this video has taken so long before I did it. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hope this video answers the question, because there is no other way to flirt in Igbo. That thing you're doing in English, you convert it to Igbo. That's how to flirt in Igbo language. Thank you guys for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please try to do so and share this video as well. Do have a lovely day. Bye.